isa rin sila sa medyo goods magbigay. Welcome back to my channel mga kapanalig, and for today's video, Aviation Partnership Philippines naman yung pag-uusapan natin, or A+. So, dati yung A+, owned rin siya ng SAE Engineering Company tsaka Cebu Pacific. Pero noong 2020, fully owned na siya ng Cebu Pacific. Then, 20 years na sila sa industriya, and they are the biggest line maintenance provider in the Philippines. And they are located sa tabi ng Cebu Pacific, so sa domestic road siya. And ayun, yung application process naman nila is smooth rin lang. It will take 1 to 2 months. So of course, first is mag-send kayo ng application nyo. Second is your interview with HR to and with your hiring manager. And then third is your written exam with your practical exam na rin. Magkasabay na yan. And then of course, you will comply your requirements na. And then after that, onboarding ka na sa ACE. So ACE yung tawag nila sa MTP nila. And then kung magkano yung allowance nila, isa rin sila sa medyo goods magbigay. So, 16,000 yung starting mo sa ACE. And then, after that, after 9 to 12 months of training, you will have for around 18,000 as a junior mechanic. Ang maganda kasi sa A+, ikot ka talaga. Like, from one skill to another skill. So, maganda siyang training ground. And then, yun nga, madami silang stations in the country. As the biggest line maintenance provider nga in the Philippines. So, okay sila. So, they support A320 FAM, A330, ATR, and then kaka-open lang ng hangar nila sa Clark. So, ayan, kaka-open lang ng hangar nila sa Clark, pumiyok pa tayo. So, ayun. So, ibig sabihin, it's really growing. So, they are preparing for the best in the aviation industry. So, ayan, maraming salamat mga kapanalig sa panonood ng vlog natin. And of course, ayun, follow me on my social media, and thank you.